Hello, in front of me I've got FOTON G7. In this video I'll show you all safety systems installed in this car. In the beginning, take a look at the driver's doors. As you can see on the side rearview mirrors, in the top left corner we've got this yellow dot. This yellow dot indicates blind spot monitoring system. Now, take a look below. The car is equipped with automatic door lock, child lock for windows and child lock for doors. This car is also equipped with DPF regeneration system and cruise control. Take a look at the settings of instrument cluster. Here we can find unit settings and overspeed alarm. Also we can adjust door lock settings, automatic controller unlocking settings and automatic flame out unlocking settings. Next, take a look in the center of the car. Here we can find 4H, 4L and 2H modes, traction control, hill descent control and 360 degrees camera. Once we are at the screen display, let's go to menu and go to car settings. Here we can find follow me home lights, car search mode, remote key lock, flash function of emergency brake lamp, and then we can find BSD system, lane departure warning and face collision warning systems. The car is also equipped with multiple airbags, ISOFIX system on the back. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.